Matthew chose the short stick.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Ew. This is,
Termites.
yeah, well, water damage. That beam is missing. See that hole? Right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a huge hole right there where the beam has fallen. And yeah, there it goes. Those whole bends are done. Frank's working on the roof right out here. So anyway, okay. Be very careful, Matthew.
Yeah.
Okay, we're under the bathroom and I guess what she called the safe room, and just looking at all of this has got to come out.
Oh, come here. Those are supposed to be joists.
Totally gone.
They're supposed to be up there.
Oops. Hey Frank, what are you doing?
I got a beam in!
Look at that.
It's not quite as big as the other one, but it'll hold. It might hold. This is all brick up here, and I've got to hold it up so I can repair the floor. As you notice, there's holes in the floor.
What?
Yeah. And then eventually I'll be able to put a roof up under here, and maybe it won't rain inside anymore.
It's pretty wet today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Or
rained last night.
Yeah.
So it's dripping.
Mm.
But we're doing what we can do.
But
That's a nice big beam.
which one?
This one.
Yeah.
It'll hold a little.
All right. Very good. Nice job, babe. Hi, Dad. What are you doing?
We're slowly inching our way along, finding out how much floor we have left. The floor ends here, and it goes that way. And we have to wear hard hats because of that.
Oh, there's a hole in this.
We're being safe.
You're being very
Because there's
safe.
bricks up there.
Ooh, ouch. That would hurt.
Yeah, and they fall really fast.
Yeah, we already
Yeah.
cleaned up 12 or so that fell last night.
Yeah.
Or yesterday.
Oh man. That's a lot.
That's what we're doing.
Wow.
Doesn't it look like fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you betcha.
Oh yeah. So Bobby, what are you doing?
Well, from where you're standing, there's no floor. We haven't taken anything out with the crowbar.
I can.
Everything has been just with mushy. We just
Yeah.
take it out with our hands. Hey, baby.
Hey. It's creepy. Oh, look at you.
Well, we have to shore up this floor to make it safe to destroy the rest of it, so we cannot get fallen down. See? Oh, it's all about safety. And I don't want to get hurt.
Oh.
That's the main thing.
Wow, that light really shows the damage to the floor. Can you all see that? Oh.
Just walk along and you can look at that over there.
Ugh, that's what I ran into yesterday. Creeped me out. Oh wow. Oh, look at all that.
See it? It's missing from there. Oh, there it starts again. but it's rotten.
Yeah, all the way through. Oh my. Hey Frank, what are you doing?
We're taking out, there's a couple soft spots in the floor. We're taking out.
Eesh.
I don't know if you can tell where they are.
Can I come over there?
You can walk on the walkboard. They're not dangerous. It's just the basement.
Mm-hmm.
You've never seen that room, have you?
Briefly.
Don't walk in there.
Oh, no, there's no floor. I always get tickled at. That's a cool little light hanging in there. Okay. All right. This door goes to the breakfast room. All right.
But we don't open that door because it might be holding the wall up.
Yeah. Okay. That's...
Anybody need a radiator?
Not a couple.
Well, we should be able to put a 4x piece of plywood here, and then we'll have a temporary floor. So we can build a temporary wall to hold up the temporary roof joists, so we can put on a temporary roof. Ta-da! Via the magic of video, now we have a plywood floor. Well, let's see. Behind me you see all the stuff that I'm doing. Got to build a temporary wall to support that. Had to build a temporary floor so I could support that. And the only reason I'm doing all that is so I can tear it off and put a new roof up there. So lots of temporary stuff going on just to stay safe, because I know everybody likes us to be safe when we're doing all this.
Do you want some help?
I will.
So, Frank.
Well, I got the temporary wall built. It's just there long enough to hold up the roof so I can destroy the roof. And then we'll figure out what to do after that. A lot of temporary stuff going in this house. But I think that's what we gotta do.
We did see a new animal though.
Mouse.
A mouse. A little tiny mouse.
Mouse in house.
So we'll have to do our mouse
World's
trap.
greatest mouse trap.
Yep. Alright. Hey everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time.
There you go. Because it
It
is.
just adds so much.
You like your teeth, Jim, Carrie?
Yeah, I see that.
Matthew, we should have called it Off-Grid Castle.
You would have gotten a lot more subscribers that way.
How to build a castle debt free.